So it definitely smelled something between like a smoke and an old gym shoe or something like that. But it is one of the only Rainforest cafes to have a ride along animatronics. So enjoy. This was such a great experience. So quick, we're moving. Come on, guys. What the heck? Oh. No way. No way. Look at Toucan Sam. Oh, man.
No lie, Scott. This is pretty incredible, isn't it?
This is absolutely incredible.
Did you expect to find this in Galveston right next to the ship for?
No. Like, how is this even here?
Look, that is the human in the cheetah suit right there. Does that not scare you?
Why your face like that, buddy?
Please show me a giraffe.
Please show me a giraffe.
Look at the giraffe right behind us. Oh, look at the snake penis.
Ah! 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 Oh, oh, ha, ha. Oh, look! I found a giraffe.
Giraffe?
Ah! It's my jungle scream. My jungle scream.
No, you're missing the gorillas behind you.
The oh, 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 oh. Oh my God. Why, what big legs you have, Grandma. Holy. See you later, crocodile in and out. Wild crocodile and a boop-a-dub-a-dial.
See you later, alligator, talking to a wild crocodile.
That one.
Scott doesn't even know his Americanisms.
Oh my. Don't eat Tide Pods, buddy.
Elephant!
Whoa. How does it look so real? Oh, there's a rhino.
That is the tiniest rhino, isn't it?
It is a pretty tiny rhino.
On scale.
Oh, there's a bigger one over there.
Oh, here comes the drop. Vulture, for some reason.
Oh, look, there's a butterfly.
Come on, Scott, this is incredible.
This is incredible. Don't growl at me.
We're going to an ancient temple.
Ow! You want a pound, buddy? You want a pound?
Oh, ancient temple behind you.
It's like Olmec from Legends of the Hidden Temple.
It does look like Olmec.
Olmec, lower your gates.
There used to be a water current here. By used to, I mean like last week. Right before the drop, it would get you. You ready for the drop, Scott? It's a pretty big drop.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so. Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's like me after a 7-day cruise. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, subscribe, and even share to someone who might be cruising or traveling out of the Galveston area. And while you're still here, if you want the best barbecue in Galveston, make sure to click right here. See you guys. Thanks for watching.